Listen up, because I'm about to tell you how I saved thousands of dollars with a single phone call. It all started with a mortgage. Like many people, I was excited but also a bit overwhelmed by the whole process. I saw the interest rate and knew I could do better. The rate seemed high and I couldn't shake the feeling that I was overpaying. So I picked up the phone and called my bank. I had done my homework and knew what other banks were offering. I was nervous, I'll admit it. Negotiating isn't my strong suit, and I was worried they might say no. But I also knew that even a small interest rate reduction could save me a ton of money in the long run. I had calculated the potential savings, and it was significant. This wasn't about being greedy, it was about being smart with my finances. I wanted to make sure I was getting the best deal possible. I explained my situation to the bank representative, detailing the rates I had found elsewhere. I was polite but firm. To my surprise, they were willing to negotiate. They offered me a lower rate almost immediately. That single phone call saved me thousands of dollars over the life of my mortgage. It was a huge relief. The lesson here is simple. Don't be afraid to ask for a better deal. Whether it's a mortgage, a car loan, or even a credit card rate, a little negotiation can go a long way. So, take control of your finances. Do your research, make the call, and don't settle for less than you deserve. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Remember, it's your money. Make it work for you. Here's the thing. You never know unless you ask. The first step is simple. Directly ask your lender for a lower interest rate. Don't be afraid to be upfront about what you want. Be polite but firm. Explain that you're a loyal customer with a good payment history. You've done your research and you know that lower rates are available. Now, here's where things got interesting. The bank tried to offer me a different loan product with all sorts of bells and whistles. It sounded tempting at first, but I knew better than to get sidetracked. Remember your goal, a lower interest rate on your existing loan. Don't let them distract you with other offers, no matter how appealing they might seem. Section 4. Sticking to my guns and my budget. Managing personal finances can be a daunting task, but it's crucial to stay disciplined and focused on your goals. So, I politely declined their alternative offer. It wasn't easy, but I knew that accepting it would derail my financial plans. I reminded them of my excellent credit score and my history of on-time payments. These factors are crucial when negotiating with financial institutions. I stood firm on my request for a lower interest rate. It took some persistence and a lot of patience, but I was determined to get a better deal. And guess what? They agreed to lower my rate. It was a small victory, but it felt incredibly rewarding. It wasn't a huge decrease, but it was enough to save me a significant amount over the life of the loan. Every little bit helps when you're working towards financial stability. By sticking to my guns and staying true to my budget, I was able to make a positive change in my financial situation. This experience taught me the importance of being assertive and not settling for less than what I deserve. It's a reminder that with determination and a clear plan, we can achieve our financial goals. Section 5. You got this. This experience taught me a valuable lesson. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether it's a mortgage, a car loan, or a credit card, your lender wants to keep you as a customer. They are often more flexible than you might think, and they have the ability to offer better terms if you ask for them. You have more power than you think, so do your research, be prepared, and go into negotiations with confidence. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Make a list of your needs and priorities before you go in, and be ready to discuss them clearly and confidently. You might be surprised by what you can achieve. Remember, the worst they can say is no, but often they will work with you to find a solution that benefits both parties. It's all about being proactive and taking control of your financial future. By negotiating, you can save money, reduce your interest rates, and improve your overall financial health. So take that step, have those conversations, and remember, you got this. With the right approach and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones.